Creating content in Moodle often ends up feeling more like creating documents than designing learning experiences. Long pages, content stacked one after another, commands, instructions, configuration steps. Everything important is here, but it feels more like reading documentation than actually learning from it. And that's exactly why I'm building Krithika, a native drag-and-drop learning experience builder for Moodle. Because creating learning content shouldn't feel like dumping information into a page or uploading a PDF. It should feel structured, interactive, engaging, and flexible enough for instructors to shape the learning experience the way they imagine it. So instead of changing the content, I rebuilt the exact same page using Krithika, organizing the content into sections, arranging layouts visually, and creating a flow that feels much easier to navigate and follow. And once the page was published, the experience started feeling completely different. Instead of endlessly scrolling through content, learners can now progressively explore information using accordions and actively test their knowledge using flashcards around important commands and concepts. The content is exactly the same, but the experience feels cleaner, more structured, more interactive, and far more engaging for learners. That's the idea behind Krithika, helping instructors move from creating pages to creating learning experiences.